Hi everyone, Trudy Knockles here. Picture this. It's Wednesday night and you're already looking forward to the weekend. But wait, the weekend is here. With a 4-day work week, you have an extra day to pursue your passions, spend time with loved ones, or simply relax and recharge. Imagine the possibilities. Learning a new skill, volunteering in your community, or finally tackling that home improvement project. A 4-day work week isn't just about having more free time. It's about reclaiming your life. It's about breaking free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and embracing a more balanced and fulfilling way of living. It's about putting your well-being first and prioritizing what truly matters. And the best part? Studies show that a shorter work week can benefit both employees and employers alike. So, buckle up as we explore the transformative power of the 4-day work week and discover why it's a change we should all be excited about. Get ready to say goodbye to the Sunday scaries and hello to a happier, healthier, and more productive you. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds amazing, Ellen, but can we really get the same amount of work done in fewer hours? The answer is a resounding yes. In fact, research suggests that a shorter work week can boost productivity and efficiency. A study by Perpetual Guardian, a New Zealand-based company, found that employees were 20% more productive when they switched to a 4-day work week. Microsoft Japan reported similar results, with a 40% increase in productivity after implementing a 4-day workweek pilot program. How is this possible? Well, when people have more time to rest and recharge, they return to work feeling more energized and focused. They're also more likely to be engaged and motivated, knowing they have an extra day to look forward to. It's a win-win situation for everyone. Let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the extra day off. Some people worry that a shorter work week means longer work days or increased pressure to get things done. However, this isn't necessarily the case. The key is to work smarter, not harder. By streamlining processes, embracing technology, and prioritizing tasks effectively, companies can maintain or even improve output with a 4-day work week. Plus, when employees feel more rested and less stressed, they're less likely to make mistakes or need time off due to burnout. Ultimately, the success of a 4-day work week relies on open communication and collaboration between employers and employees. By working together to design a schedule that meets everyone's needs, we can create a more sustainable and fulfilling work environment. The traditional 5-day work week is outdated and no longer serves us. It's time to embrace a new era of work, one that prioritizes well-being, flexibility, and a healthy work-life balance. The 4-day work week is not just a pipe dream. It's a viable solution that can benefit individuals, businesses, and society as a whole. By reducing stress and burnout, improving health and well-being, and boosting productivity and innovation, a shorter work week has the potential to transform our lives for the better. It's time to challenge the status quo and demand a better way of working. So let's start a conversation, spread the word, and encourage businesses to embrace this positive change. Together, we can create a world where everyone has the time and freedom to live their best lives, starting with an extra day off.